Hello friends, it's funkyplaybrothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And they were unboxing and reviewing Target exclusive Moose Toys Akedo Ninja Legends of Akedo Ninja Fury Ninja Battle Pack with 2 exclusive ninja bosses and other people. There's 6 people in total. Boss mode Glitchblade and Spirit Weaver. And this is the back. Tells you all their names. But I wonder what Spirit Weaver's head's gonna be looking like. Probably like a spider. Now let's unbox it. Oh yes. What the? Ooh, down here. Why is it wide? Okay. So. Oh, got it open. Oh, that's cool. It's a little hand. This will be fun. And then the peeps. Let's get one. He came in half. Hurry. Come here. Uh-oh. He's split in half with his armor on. That's bad. Okay. He's been released, but I need to put him back together again. Okay. All the people and the broken in half person. 2 people broken in half. Okay. She is Master Slither. Then there is Bone Breaker Tailwhip. It's weird how they made him do this, because now it's more loosable. Then there is Triple Strikes Ninja. Then there's Stealth Stinky. Now, this is one of the cool ones. The exclusive Boss Mode Glitchblade. And then Boss Mode Glitchblade out of armor. They're also glow in the dark. So cool. Then there is the other exclusive Spirit Weaver. It's the moment of unveiling. This is his face. Okay. Now I'm going to collect them. Okay, so. Ooh, that is cool. I rate the Spirit Weaver 10 out of 10. 3 million. Oh! And there's also the what's it called? The collector's guide. It's actually kind of small. I thought it was going to be bigger, but nope. It's kind of actually really small. I'll still keep it though. I'll have one. 10 out of 10, 3 million thumbs up. Then this one is a 10 million out of 10 million, 3 billion thumbs up. I like him. Ooh, 10 out of 10, 3 million thumbs up. It's hard, but it still is a 10 out of 10, 3 million thumbs up. Then this one is a 10 out of 10, 3 million thumbs up. Ooh, yeah, her. 10 million out of 10 million, 3 billion thumbs up. Now, the best one still is him. Because he has a cute little dagger and then his spear. So cool. And They break like all akedos should break. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on our social medias, Funky Play Brothers and Funky Play Bros. Support our Cash App, the $sign Funky Play Bros. Thank you for watching. Bye.